Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Robert, the Daily Trader. It is November 17th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and also Nasdaq. Let's start with the VIX. So VIX closed at 2393. That's down 0.17. That's 0.75%. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So for the past few days, we have made a low on Friday the 11th. And now we seem to be stabilizing a little bit above 2382. So 2382 is our support right now. We have been just above this for the past few days. Is it going to continue? I don't know. Nobody knows. But if it continues down lower than 2382, we should see the impact on the stock market. Let's go look at the Dow Jones. So Dow Jones, still outside of this downward channel. And now it seems to be making a top. This is the definition of a top, is that we are making higher highs and higher lows, and then we are starting to make lower highs and lower lows. So this is a nice top that we have right here. This is just normal. Each time we have a move up, we have a consolidation a little bit. And then we have another move up, and then consolidation. And sometimes the consolidation is bigger. This one is bigger right here. And now we have a small consolidation here. We have a big support at 32,886. So that's a big support. We could be consolidating a little bit down to that point also before deciding what is going to happen. So if we start breaking 32,886 with a loss of stochastic, then I would start thinking that maybe we are coming down. We have an important support right here, very close. So if we lose 32,886, then it's possible that we just bounce on that support. So there's not a lot of room to make money on the downside right here. But then if we break that big support right here, then the money maybe starts to make sense. Let's look at S&P 500. So S&P 500 has a good stochastic. It's still in its bullish trend. Bullish trend is right here. It's doing what it's supposed to do, which is zigzagging between these two things. Yeah. So in terms of the entry right here, so the entry was when we got stochastic over 60. So we got stochastic over 60 right here, at this point right here. Then it went up and came back down. So this was the scary part. But then it never went lower than at this point and started to making higher lows. Until it breaks this support right here. If you are in it, in some ways, maybe you can stay in it. And then let's look at Nasdaq Composite. So Nasdaq Composite only broke outside for one day right here, Tuesday, November 15. Broke outside of this big downward channel. And now it's back into this downward channel. We have big support at 10,534 right here. Big support here. We have the resistance here. We have a double support here. So maybe we are going to do something like this and then make a decision either to do something like this or something like that. We don't know. Let's just wait and see. And then when we see what we like. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you a lot of questions.